Are you looking for a 5-bedroom, 3-bath in Pensacola, Florida, in a gated community that is almost over 3,100 square feet with a pool and has a backyard with a green belt? Well, today I'm going to tour a home in Pensacola, Florida, in a gated community. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. As we walk up to the home in the gated community, it does have the front porch. As we walk into the front door, this is hardwood. Right off to the side in the front of the house is the dining room. It does have the tray ceiling. With hardwood flooring. Here's the foyer. Across the foyer could be used as an office, has the crown molding. It's also in the front of the house with the hardwood flooring. Another view of the dining room. And we go down. There are two ways to get to the kitchen. We can either go down this hallway that leads you to 2 bedrooms and a bathroom and into the living room, or there's also another arched walkway here, doorway, that takes you also into the kitchen. We're gonna go this way. Another arched doorway. All of the doorways in this home do have the arched doorways. So off to the side here is 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. We're going to look here first. It does have the linen closet, the wood shelving. In bedroom 1, it's got the carpeting. Here's the closet, has the wire shelving in it. We'll go over to bedroom 2, also has carpeting. And this closet also has the wire shelving. There are 2 linen closets in this hallway. This closet has the wire shelving, the other one has the wood shelving. Here's the first full bathroom, and a single vanity, and that is a tile shower with the tile to the ceiling. And we'll go out to the living room area. Got a wide entry here. There's another closet, got a lot of storage space here. Another closet, the wire shelving. And we come into the living room with a gas fireplace. Also has the tray ceiling, the recessed lighting, hardwood floor. There's the kitchen. Right now we are going to take a walk into the main bedroom first. So the main bedroom has the hardwood floor. It has a separate door to take you out to the pool spa area. The main bedroom has the tray ceiling as well. And we'll go into the main bathroom. It's got the tile on the floor, got the granite countertops, the 2 separate sinks. There's another linen closet with the wire shelving. The water closet. And the separate tile shower with the glass doors. The tile does go to the ceiling. And then there is the garden tub. And the walk-in closet with organizer in it. The walk-in closet does have the carpeting. So now we'll go out to the kitchen. The kitchen has the granite countertops. Here's a nook area that you can look out to the green belt and also the pool area. The pool is a gunite. Another arched doorway. So the kitchen does have an island. It's got the snack bar and the counter is granite. All of the appliances are stainless steel and the range is a gas. You have the under cabinet lighting and then the tile backsplash. And there's a large walk-in pantry that has the shelving in it as well. Down from the pantry is the laundry room. Some wire shelving, another closet for storage. And it's got the wire shelving in that. And more shelving here, got some drawers down below. And then this takes you back to the front of the house where the dining room is. The garage is right off the kitchen area. Does have the epoxy flooring, extra storage above the garage door. Now we'll go and check out the last 2 bedrooms and then we'll go take a walk outside. So this would be bedroom number 4. It has the carpeting. It is in the back of the house. And then the closet has the wire shelving. And bathroom number 3 has the single vanity and the tile shower, the tile to the ceiling. And then bedroom number 5 has the carpeting. A good size room also. And then the closet has the wire shelving. Now we'll take a walk out to the pool area. A quick look at the living room, kitchen, and breakfast nook area. This is a tri-split floor plan. So you have the master off in towards the back of the house, and then the other 2 bedrooms were right off the foyer, and then bedrooms 4 and 5 were also off the kitchen breakfast nook area. So now we'll take a walk outside. There's a covered patio has the ceiling fans. There's 2 ceiling fans out here. This is the tile flooring, and pavers are all around the pool. This is a gunite pool. And the lounge chairs in the pool with the umbrella, and a hot tub that overflows into the pool. Got the sunning ledges also in the pool, and then the outdoor kitchen with the refrigerator and the grill. A view of the back of the yard. This view of the pool. If you are looking for a 5-bedroom, 3-bath in Pensacola, Florida that has a gunite pool with the hot tub, a screened-in enclosure with the green belt in the back, it's near Navy Federal Credit Union, close to Pensacola, Pensacola Beach. All of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.